Hi, I'm Deb Staley of Deb Dot House. I'm a full-time, experienced real estate broker in Johnson County, Kansas. My specialty for the past dozen years has been maintenance-provided homes like condominiums, townhomes, patio homes, and villas. Today's video is 4 quick tips for viewing homes to buy. The first tip is to buy now. We are in the fall going into winter. Everyone wants to move in the spring and summer. So there are actually more homes to see then, but there are many more buyers, and you will get into a bidding war on the good homes. Second, wear slip-on shoes. Even before the pandemic, sellers expect people to wear shoe covers or to remove shoes at the door. It's just common courtesy. Third, don't stress out if you forget your mask. I will always have them, and sometimes there are masks available in the home. I will also wear gloves and open all the doors and cabinets for you. Fourth and last tip, let me help you with the home buying process. I have over 20 years of experience and a bunch of real estate certifications and designations. I believe in education. Also, I do not charge a fee to represent buyers. Most agents do charge a fee, but I simply do not. I bought all 4 of my homes on my own as a single woman, and I know that every penny counts. Just call, email, or text. I'm here to serve. Stay healthy.